Good news to Luna has actually been pushing its way back to the top. Now Luna is run among the top 220 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now Luna bond have actually improved and now over 1,145,407,264 tokens has been bond in Luna all this while, and all this, the combination of all these bond tokens is worth over $17 million. Now with this Luna bond is going to help the price of Luna to actually increase more, and again Luna will continue to bond more of their tokens in order to hit that $1 fast. Yes, Luna will surely reach $1. I'm very certain for that Luna is going to hit $1 before the end of 2023 or 2024, but hopefully in 2023 we are expecting Luna Classic to hit $1. Now with the burning rate of Luna is going to increase more, and many people will keep burning their Luna token. And some people have millions of tokens of Luna, or some people have billions of tokens of Luna. So we are hoping for people to actually burn more of their Luna coins in order to help the price of Luna to increase more. Now also Luna have also done well in terms of trading. Many more crypto traders have actually involved in Binance and trading Luna, okay, in Kucoin trading Luna. So this will help the price of Luna, and Luna also is showing a massive increase in the past few weeks alone, because Luna price have actually increased in terms of market cap, in terms of value, and we are hoping for Luna to lose more zeros before the end of June, and so before the end of July this 2022, and maybe by the end of 2022 Luna is going to gain over 200 to 800% increase. But hopefully with the wave and the way things are going for Luna, I can see Luna hitting over 1000% before the end of February 2023, and with that in mind, so many people are going to make a lot of money with Luna. Also Binance are also been doing well for Luna, because Binance, people are not trading Luna more on Binance than every other crypto exchange out there, and we are hoping for that Luna itself will actually bounce back within a short period of time. But please remember that Luna, even if you want to invest in Luna, do not invest money you can afford to lose for now, but we are still hoping for the price of Luna to actually increase more and do better in future. Once again, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.